Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to automate workflows with teamwork.com. First off, log into your teamwork.com account. This is where all the magic happens, as this is your personal hub for managing projects and automating tasks. Now that we've done that, we move to the Projects tab and select the project you want to automate. The reason we do this is to ensure each project has its bespoke workflow, which helps you stay organized and focused. Next up, we go to the Settings icon and click on Task Defaults. This helps us because it allows us to set up standard tasks that will be used over and over again in our workflow. Now we're going to add a new task default. Click Add Task Default and fill in the details. Let me explain why this matters. By setting this up, you're essentially creating a template task that can be triggered automatically based on the parameters you set. After creating your task default, it's time to automate. Navigate to Workflows and click on Add Workflow. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're creating a sequence of tasks that will be executed in order once a specific condition is met. After adding your workflow, it's time to set the triggers and actions for your workflow under Task Rules. This is crucial because these rules determine when and how your tasks are automated. Finally, click on Save and voila, your workflow is automated. This simple step helps you save time and resources by automating repetitive tasks. To wrap up, automating workflows with teamwork.com is all about setting up task defaults, creating workflows, and setting rules. And remember, the key to all this is understanding your tasks and knowing when they should be triggered. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for being with us, and as always, keep working smart, not hard. Cheers.